Many years ago, I journeyed with the Maharaja of India to the island of Time, intending to claim its secrets. What it's a ruined place. Its halls deserted, and its guardians gone insane. Strange enough, its guardians spoke. An empress of Time. But of this enigmatic legend, there was no trace. We returned to India with treasure nonetheless. A staff. A dagger, an empty hourglass covered in jewels, and books. Such secrets they contained. For even then, I knew that my time would soon be at an end. The books showed me that life eternal was not beyond my reach, but it required the essence of the Empress herself, the power of the sands. But you were gone. They were gone. So I turned my attention towards other pursuits and left that dream behind. 4 weeks ago, the dagger stirred and showed me, whispered to me in my sleep. It drew me here, towards Babylon. Alas, the Maharaja did not share my vision, would not grant me leave. So I slew him and claimed his kingdom, his army for my own. Nothing would stand between me and my desire.
Recklessly, the prince drew his weapon and charged forward, intending to rescue me. This is how it happened. This is how I died.
No!
What have we here?
The Vizier!
Ah, you must be the Prince of Persia. Come home at last. Too late, I'm afraid. I believe I have something of yours.
No! Kylena!
It was as if he had...
Father, forgive what I have done, wherever you are.
The palace is falling! Run for your lives!
this should resume the tale next time? Good. This is a fine place to start the tale next time.
Once more the wheels of suffering are set in motion by my hand. In taking Kylina from the island of time, I've changed the course of history. Without the sands of time, I never journeyed to Azad, never killed the Vizier. Now he lives again, driven by the same mad desire. I promised no harm would come to her.
Is this where I should will continue my story from here next time.
I am being pushed deeper into the palace, and further from my enemy. My arm! What's happening? What has the Vizier done to me? I don't...
Everything had come full circle. The prince had resurrected his greatest enemy. Worse, he had accidentally delivered me into the man's hands, unleashing a nightmare plague across Babylon. As if this was not enough, the prince had nearly been transformed by the sands himself. Though he had avoided death, he had not escaped entirely untouched.
Wake up, Prince. Wake up. Wake up!